and welcome to another video. In today's video, I have a question for you. As some of you may know, sponsored by Red Heart Yarns, so you can see all the Red Heart Yarns behind me. But Red Heart Yarns was purchased by Yarnspirations, and now I get access to yarn that Yarnspiration has. So that means I get access to more brands than just Red Heart. I'm going to put them on the screen because I can't remember them all off the top of my head, but there are lots and lots of different brands. So if you're looking on the screen now, there'll be all the names of the yarn I can get access to. I would like to know, what is your go-to brand of these yarns that you would use? So something equivalent to Red Heart Super Saver. So that's like their budget line. It's got lots of colours. It's great to use for everything. So it's just it's a 10 ply or a worsted weight yarn. I just want to know what you would use in these brands that you've seen on the screen. Like I said, I cannot remember off the top of my head, and I just sat down to make a video and didn't do any research. I was making another video about the bushfires, so yeah, I totally forgot to go and do some research. But I can always put it over the screen so that you know the brands I'm talking about. Yeah, because it's really exciting. I now get to choose more brands to make tutorials with, which I'm very excited about. And I cannot wait to try out some different brands of American yarn. We get access to some American yarn here in Australia, but it's super, super, super expensive than what you guys would pay over in America. So I cannot wait for that. Yeah, because I've never used these brands before, I don't know what they feel like. I don't know how they work up. I don't know their colour ranges or anything like that. I mean, I can get on and check out the colours online, but it's about feel, isn't it? So some people don't like scratchy yarn. So sometimes Red Heart yarn is a bit scratchy, but once you wash it, I think it's fine. I think it's a great yarn. But I know some people don't like it because it's scratchy to work with. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below, what is your go-to yarn for these brands that I'm now going to have access to. Cannot wait to get my hands on some different yarn and have a good old play with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, happy crochet. Bye.